Hi, my name is Bill Feaver, and I'm making this video to show you how the funnel builder that I use has a links page where I connect with most of my business. I put most of my business on the links page. That's what we're doing today. I belong to the Home Business Academy. I use their funnel builder. It's a tool that I'm an affiliate with. And let me see if I can show you. This is our back office page. I own all the products from the Home Business Academy. And this right here is the Funnel Builder Academy. It has down here all kinds of videos that you can watch to get trained, and you can get live coaching. We have 13 Zoom meetings a week. If you own the premium element of that, which also helps you get traffic and commissions, you can use this funnel builder for anything, for any business, to help you build pages that create a web page. I just wanted to share that with you and show you mine. Let's go in here. We're going to click in and go to the tool. This is my working page for my links page, and I'll show you it in the web and the live in a minute. But I just want to show you. Then this over here is all the tools to help you do that. Also, we have more tools along the top and places where you can save stuff and duplicate stuff and all kinds of things. These are all the pages that I have, and I'm going to show you some in a minute of what I use in my business. But right here, we're going to click on this button down here, and it goes to page. And then we have all these templates that have been created for us by various people and put in and saved, and from all kinds of things. So I want to go down here to the links page. One of our members made pages and saved them for us to use. And you can take these pages and then you can modify them to use for make your own links page. I used this one, I believe, to create mine and modified it somewhat, and it looks like this one now. Anyway, that is what I wanted to show you. This is the links page. So let's go to the next slide that I've got. The back office has the Funnel Builder Academy. I showed you that. And we're having modules for training. I showed you those. And systems and masterminds to answer questions and assist in building pages. So all kinds of help. This is my URL for my links page. WilliamFeaver.com. If you click on that, you get all of these things that I have. You have thank you pages, bridge pages, capture pages, lead magnets, social media pages. You can copy and make URLs from other pages and link them to your site on this links page that other people have built. So it's pretty cool. And so let's go to that. This is my links page, and got all kinds of things on here that I have. And I also have a capture page where I give away 50 content ideas that I use and have. Okay. And then there's down here, there's other links still to you can link your more of your social media on this, but you can do all kinds of things with this and change it and modify it and put new pictures, put video behind here. Well, it's links through. It's all kinds of cool stuff. So I wanted to show you that. Let's see. Now, going to the next page, we're on 3. We're going to do. This is basically a lot of the business pages that I have that I use, and I can show you one or two. Let me see if here. This is basically to the Home Business Academy's all-in-one business, and it leads back and gives you more information about all of the funnel builder, the premium product, the financial literacy, and the Let's Go. And all of those products, I think Let's Go is $10. The Funnel Builder is $25 a month. The premium is $125 a month. And the financial literacy is $500 if you buy it initially, or $1,000 if you don't. and that's a one-time purchase. Others are monthly, and if you promote this business to others, you'll make an 80% commission on all of those. So it could be, you can make an 80% commission on 100 people, and you're making some serious cash every month. We also have some other things that we promote, and then I'm into some other businesses that I am connected with, but I've used that to connect it. This is a lead sleep website promotion that I sell. I connected this page to my links page on Home Business Academy, so you can connect that. I actually have one that, let me see if I can connect it for you. Let's see. Let's go here to this. I want to go to this for a second. I want to go over here to a new thing, and I'll type in, that's my link to my Live Good sales page or promotion page. It's got my name on here, but it's connected also to my links page on the Home Business Academy. So I wanted to show you that. And I have all these different pages. Oh, I want to show you one more. I've got this one that I do. I doodle, I draw, and I've made 3 coloring books that I promote on Amazon, and they're like adult coloring books. And I also have a planner, a yearly planner scheduler that you can use if you want to write down stuff. But let me see if I can get this to open this. Oh yeah, let's see. No, it just shows the front and back. It doesn't show it doesn't go through and show you the things. I thought he might show you a couple of pages of my drawings. Anyway, that's that. I wanted to show you that, and I actually showed you the funnel builder and the templates page previously. Those are the things that I wanted to show you. I have connections down below. Please subscribe to my page. Leave any comments. I know that I'm not the best YouTuber on the world, but I'm trying to learn more every day. And I'm trying to promote some tools that are useful in any business on the internet. So if you're interested, send me a note and I'll get back to you. Other than that, you have a great day. Bye-bye.